Hello, welcome to our session today. It is nice to see you again.
Hello, Priya. Thank you for making time for me. I feel a bit tired lately.
I hear that often from people with busy lives. Tell me more about how you have been feeling.
Work keeps me at the desk for long hours. My energy drops in the afternoon. I also find it hard to sleep well at night.
That sounds familiar. Many people face the same challenges. What does your typical day look like right now?
I wake up early and check emails right away. Breakfast is usually quick coffee and toast. Then meetings fill the morning. Lunch is often fast food near the office. Evenings, I watch videos to relax, but I still feel restless.
Thank you for sharing that honestly. Small details help me understand your situation better. Have you noticed any connection between your food choices and your energy levels?
Yes, I think so. After heavy meals, I feel slow and sleepy. Light meals seem to keep me going longer.
Exactly. Balanced nutrition supports steady energy. Let us talk about simple ways to improve that. What kinds of foods do you enjoy eating?
I like rice and vegetables, but I don't cook much. Fruit is nice, but I forget to buy it.
Great. We can build from what you already like. Try adding a piece of fruit with your morning coffee. Bananas give quick, natural energy. Also, prepare a small salad the night before. It takes only 10 minutes and helps avoid fast food.
That makes sense. I can try the salad idea. What about exercise? I know I should move more, but the gym feels too much after work.
Many people feel the same way. You don't need a full gym session to see benefits. A short walk after lunch can refresh your mind and body. Even 10 minutes helps improve mood and sleep.
Really? Just 10 minutes?
Absolutely. Consistency matters more than intensity at the beginning. Start with a walk around the block. Listen to a favorite podcast while you walk. It turns exercise into something enjoyable.
I like that. I can listen to English podcasts during the walk. That would help my learning too.
Wonderful idea. Combining habits works well. Now, let's discuss sleep. Good rest improves everything else. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around midnight most nights, I scroll on my phone until I feel sleepy.
The blue light from phones can make it harder to fall asleep. Try this simple change. Put your phone away 30 minutes before bed. Instead, read a real book or write 3 things you feel grateful for that day. Gratitude journaling helps calm the mind.
Gratitude journaling. I've heard of that. Does it really help with stress?
Yes, it does, for many people. Focusing on positive moments shifts your thoughts away from worries. Start small with just 3 lines each night. You'll notice better sleep after 1 week.
I will try it tonight. What about mental health? Sometimes I feel overwhelmed with all the tasks at work.
That's very common and important to address. Taking short breaks during the day protect your mental energy. Try the 5-minute rule. Every 2 hours, stand up, stretch your arms, and take 5 deep breaths. It resets your focus.
5 deep breaths. I can do that even at my desk. Any other tips for busy days?
Of course, hydration matters too. Keep a water bottle nearby and aim for 8 glasses a day. Dehydration often causes fatigue that people mistake for lack of sleep. Add slices of lemon or cucumber for better taste if plain water feels boring.
Lemon water sounds refreshing. I will buy some lemons this weekend. How do I track my progress without feeling pressured?
Use a simple notebook or your phone notes. Write one small win each evening. For example, today I walked 10 minutes, or I ate an apple instead of chips. Celebrate small steps. Progress builds confidence over time.
That feels manageable. I worry about slipping back into old habits, though.
Everyone has setbacks, and that's normal. The key is to be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, just start again the next morning. Think of it as building a new lifestyle, not a perfect routine.
Being kind to myself is something I need to practice. Thank you for reminding me.
You're doing great by showing up today and asking questions. Many people wait until they feel completely burned out. What one change feels easiest for you to start this week?
The after-lunch walk seems doable. I can even invite a colleague to join sometimes.
Excellent choice. Walking with others makes it more fun and builds social connection, which supports wellness too. Check in with me next session and tell me how it went. We can adjust based on what works for you.
I feel more hopeful already. This conversation helped me see practical steps.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, small, consistent actions create big results over time. You have the power to improve your energy and well-being.
Thank you, Priya. I appreciate your guidance and patience.
You are very welcome. Take care and see you next time. Have a peaceful evening.
You too. Goodbye for now.